Sir, live started.
Okay, thank you. So, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for taking time to attend this live session. Happy to interact with you to understand how you have been finding this course and clarify any questions that you might have along the way. So we can probably take turns and go ahead. So I can see 1, 2, 3, about 10 to 11 learners, if you exclude, probably about 10 learners, excluding me and the host, I guess. So we can get started. Over to you.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I'm Neha Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, I really find this course very interesting, and it's something which I was always wanted to do. And I just conduct. Actually, I teach maths and physics to from class 8 to 12 standard students.
Okay.
And then I'm a freelancer teacher. I just don't go anywhere.
Okay.
So during that part, like around 5, 6 years back, I realized that mostly the students are struggling not with the concepts, but their problem solving skills were a bit lacking. Like they were not
Yeah.
able to connect the dots while solving
Right.
the problems.
Right.
At that time, first time I conducted my workshop with my students only during winter vacation, where we played like problem solving games. I created some games, and then we had brain at end we had this treasure hunt and all, where we were using logics to solve the problems and all.
Ma'am, I have
And
one request to you
yeah.
as well as others. If your bandwidth can afford it, please turn on your camera, video
Okay,
camera,
sir.
if it's possible.
Mhm. Right. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Right.
please go
Yeah,
ahead.
thank
Please
you.
go ahead.
Yeah. So at that time, I conducted one workshop for my students. That was my trial basis. I thought like we played many games. Some I created, some online, some games I created. That was a physical one
Sure.
where we created some games. I created some games, and then some I took from online. We played Sudokus also there. I converted some maths problems to games, like linear equations to some games, APs to games. And then I realized that it was really helping. After that vacation, some of my students who were at 70%, they started scoring 80%, and their problem solving skills increased, actually.
Very nice.
So
Very nice to
yeah,
hear this. This is exactly what I mean. It's heartening to hear this real life experience.
right, sir. And then after that, I normally conduct workshops every year for my students, and all from them I'm conducting from last 5, 6 years. Mostly it is for my students only. I conduct some workshops also, but I just wanted to approach. I don't know how to approach schools for that, because I am certified in BTech Computer Science. So how to tell them that I want to conduct such workshops, and my objective is for this course is so that I can get a certification and I can talk to them that okay, this is something is actually needed right now. So I wanted your guidance regarding that how to approach
I get you. I
schools
get you,
and
ma'am.
college.
I get you. See,
Hmm.
it's a very tough and a tricky challenge. I'll tell you why.
Mhm.
Uh, if you ask any parent or children, right? Children love
Mhm.
games. Okay.
Right.
Parents, if you ask them, they will say the happiness of the child is paramount. Okay.
Right.
All that they will agree.
Right.
But school management also they want to create a happy environment for children. Okay.
Right, sir.
But yet when we use games or try to use fun, it somehow doesn't work out easily in many places. The reason is this: for many years, right,
Right.
we have seen play as the opposite of seriousness.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Exams ke liye padho, don't keep playing. That is what we use in our vocabulary, right? Everywhere in
Right.
India,
Mhm.
exams, studies is serious business. Don't mix play with that. Okay.
Right.
So if that is there deep rooted in our mind, okay, that is going to take time to change. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No matter how I have done a lot of primary and a lot of secondary research, I'm also sharing in this NPTEL. Lots of secondary research
Right.
across the world that games help in the learning process. Okay.
Right.
But research is research. People will listen to it. They'll say it is good
Yes.
because it is deep rooted, right?
Right.
My belief is today's children will break the barrier. It is not parents or teachers. The children will lead the way, is what I strongly feel. Because they are growing in a playful world, an entertaining world with mobiles and a lot more things. They will grasp faster and they will lead the way. Okay. Now, having said that, coming to your question, I would say this, ma'am, the National Education Policy 2020. Okay. You
Yes.
can search that from the net, and our government has included, and in fact, I show that in this NPTEL
Yeah,
course.
yes, I had seen that's a
Yeah.
toy pedagogy. I have read about
Yes.
that also before also.
So
That's
that
I
is
have seen
something
it.
that you can use to
Mhm.
approach schools or
Okay.
teachers or parents. But I'm saying that it is not parents or teachers are deliberately doing that. It is like the mindset, right? It has to change. Like if something is ingrained,
Yes.
although it takes time to change and
Yes.
adapt. It is nothing to do with your knowledge, certification, and all that, right?
Mhm. Right.
It,
Right.
like things change, take time to change. Okay, so don't
Okay.
lose hope. Don't be patient, and good things will keep happening. In
Thank you,
fact, I
sir.
never thought I'll be doing this 6 years back.
Yeah,
That
actually.
in NPTEL, whether with NPTEL will approve such a workshop, that I'll
Mm.
get to do such a course in IIT. I had no imagination. I had the same
Sir.
struggles.
Mm.
I am continuing to have struggles to convince, but nowadays I stop forcing
Mhm.
people.
Right.
I like what
Mm.
I'm saying is I've never forced that, but I'm saying even more. I'm convinced that okay, hey, this is a methodology.
Right. Right. Mm.
Try it out. If it
Right.
works, it
Thank you, sir.
works.
Thank you,
If
sir.
it
And that
doesn't,
this course, right. Right. Right.
what is that?
And that's what, sir. After seeing this course, I realized, okay, I'm not doing something wrong. Otherwise, I was on that feel, okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm thinking something wrong.
You're not doing
Mm.
anything wrong. It is
Mm.
just that it takes time as a society to change the mindset and outlook of people. Okay, people are not deliberately resisting. It is just that it has taken ages of a certain
Subconscious.
type of education, and we are unable to break it out
Right. Sir.
easily.
Right.
Okay, good luck,
Thank you,
and
sir.
don't lose hope, and be enthusiastic, but be patient also.
Thank you, sir. So one more thing regarding assignment one. In assignment one, there was like there's in that methodology there were four intrinsic one answer. Okay, I'll just message
Okay,
the
okay.
chat for that.
Can I suggest something? As
Yes,
far
sir.
as this particular meeting is concerned,
Okay.
any operational questions, video related, etc. If it is a doubt that will benefit the larger audience, you please ask it. Otherwise, you drop
Okay.
a mail and I'll try to handle it. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
yeah.
Thank
That's
you.
all. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Over
you,
to the
sir.
next person.
Good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Kannan, Dean Academic Care College of Engineering, Trichy. I want to
Okay.
record my sincere thanks to Mr. Kartic Vaidyanathan for introducing me different games. Actually, I used Mentimeter in the classroom. The other tools you have introduced, the word wall, GimKit, and then puzzles. I mean quizzes. All these tools are very much useful. Last Monday, 2 days back, also I conducted a workshop to all the faculty members. As a dean, I trained the faculty member on the activity for conducting in the classroom. So these tools are very much useful. I just wanted to thank you. In the meantime, I drop a mail to invite you to the campus for maybe for a 1 day workshop. So we'll meet in person in Trichy. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So thank you very much. It's very heartening to hear this. Now I want to take a moment to thank you because it is very rare. Nehaji, please note Kannan sir, who's the dean of a college, who is taking personal interest in this kind of a pedagogy. It is very, very rare, sir. In fact, you kind of people are the change makers. Okay.
Thank you.
No, really, I'm saying because I'll tell you, usually the younger faculty, the younger new generation teachers, they are more amenable or open because they have grown in this generation, right? Whereas usually what I've found is the earlier generation teachers, because they have been used to it for a very, very long time, they find it difficult to be open-minded. Okay. We are not going to be judging or blaming them because see, we all have certain habits and ways of doing things, right? But for a person like you, who's the dean of an institution, who has grown in the old pedagogy to be open-minded and adapting it. Hats off to you, sir. Definitely, I'll connect and get in touch with you. Thank you.
Okay. Since 2015, I am working on OBE concepts, particularly active learning technique in the
Very
classroom.
nice.
I practice. So we'll meet in person and we'll discuss more.
Very nice, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kannan. Next person, please. Who wants to go next? Hello, there are about close to 20 participants now. Who wants to go next, please? Am I audible? Hello?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So myself, Sushma Singh. Actually, it's very engaging and learning experience for me. Even I have tried to adopt two methodology. The word game I tried to incorporate in one of the sessions, and students really liked it. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, very happy to hear it.
Sir, I have a doubt. Can you explain me how will be the examination procedure?
Well, actually, you have two batches. I believe that the morning batch or afternoon batch you can opt for. And it will be 50 multiple choice questions.
Okay.
That's it, covering the different parts of the course.
Sir, one more question. Sir, understanding is fine. When I hear videos, understanding is fine. I can do it, adopt it. But writing or selecting it becomes difficult. So how to get the material to study?
When you say get the material to study, beyond the lectures and the PowerPoints, you don't have to do anything else, according to me. Where
Okay.
are you having challenges? Because, see, honestly, I wanted to keep it very, very light. See, some people may, I've got feedback saying that it's nice. I've also got feedback saying that it's too easy. I have no idea what there will be a spectrum of teachers, right? So if you find any part difficult, you can tell me. I'll try my best to clarify that.
Okay.
You don't have to do any other special preparation.
Understanding is not a difficult part. I can understand it. But
Okay.
when it's in the form of a question, sometimes if there is some study material, it will be easier.
Okay. So let us say, for example, you would have done assignments now, one or two
Yes,
assignments.
I have done 2 assignments till
How
now.
did you find them?
Second assignment was easier compared to first one for me.
Okay, okay. So, see the reason, okay. See, I'm also learning how to deliver this course, because one easy way, given a choice, is just have the modules 2 and 3 where you actually learn games.
Yes.
Okay. 2 and 3 are the active learning modules of building tools, etc. But I felt that 1 and 4 also should be there, because first is about what is this methodology about, who has said what, research and all that. So there you may find the difficult questions being, I won't say difficult, a lot more new things might you may get to know. And similarly, in the fourth one also should be technically easy, but I've got practitioners, teachers who have been adopting this methodology for a long time to share their experiences. So there again, maybe some of you may be finding it long to understand and all that, because they are more theoretical and got to do with the understanding of the framework part. Okay. So that is what, so please drop me a message wherever you find it difficult. Don't worry too much about exams, I would say. But if you face difficulties in assignments, do drop me a mail and we'll get it answered.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, somebody is projecting this, I guess. Hello?
Sorry, sir, by mistake I projected, but I wanted to want to know the answer of this question. By mistake, I just projected.
Okay, I think it is
Okay.
1. Yeah, you have any doubts on that?
Yeah, I was thinking about 8 because they're saying octology, no, but I think intrinsic, that's why it's 4. That's a
No.
confusion.
Yeah, there are out of the 8, 4 are
Yes.
intrinsic and 4 are extrinsic.
Okay, okay.
I will try to, if you go to Octalysis diagram, I'll show you that, and I'll try to pull it up Octalysis framework, I will try to pull that and show you. One second. Let me try to pull that. So this is one article. See, actually, if you see in Octalysis, I'm just sharing a link with you. If you go through this, there are four four intrinsic and four extrinsic motivators. You will also find four white hat and black hat core drives. Okay, the 4 plus 4 in each category make it 8. I'm just sending you that link, which is also there in the video as well as the PowerPoint you should technically be having, but I'm just sharing that with you. So intrinsic is 4 out of 8.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Kamal. I'm sorry, my video isn't working. I would like to know if there are any additional resources where we can dive deeper and any recommended advanced courses, because I really like gaming. Okay, the fact that we can gamify our classrooms with the n number of resources that you've already mentioned, and it's been really, really helpful. But if I want to advance further, okay, are there any resources that I can refer to, or do you take advanced courses? If you do, I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll be happy to share. What I'll do is I'll request you to do this rather than doing it in this call. Both for you, Kamal ma'am, as well as for the others, if you can just put in your inputs in that form that we had circulated for this session, I'll make a note of it to ensure that each one of those points gets addressed. So I'll try to share with you, in your case, ma'am, I'll try to share with you additional resources. In the case of other people's questions, have you filled the form, the one that I'm showing here as a part of this course? If you can see this. Are you able to see my screen?
Not yet, sir. Yes.
Yeah, can you please do it? It'll be in the part of the mail. That way it gets recorded and I ensure that I address that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Please fill the form, both Kamal ma'am as well as the rest of you.
Thank you.
Next person, please. Who wants to go next?
Hello, sir. Myself, Itishri Vaidya. I already asked you in the form. So
In the form,
please
yeah,
break
okay.
down.
So the question you've asked is, I'm taking chemistry to pharmacy undergraduate students. I saw one chemistry-based game, but found it difficult. Okay. According to you, which game we should select for understanding concepts in chemistry? So, ma'am, I'll put it this way, okay? I just use different kinds of games to illustrate different patterns. But I would say Teachers Pay Teachers is an excellent repository where you can search chemistry games by topic. It is there from middle school, senior secondary school onwards. There are varieties of games you search by topic. If you remember the Teachers Pay Teachers, I have also explained in that video how to search a game. Do you recollect that, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Sir, but actually for pharmacy now we have got different types of chemistry.
Got it. So that chemistry doesn't coincide with this is what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. So pharma means you must be a
We have
undergraduate
got
or
medicinal
undergraduate,
chemistry.
postgraduate teacher, right?
Yes.
Okay, then you may need to do custom designing of games, ma'am.
Yes.
So, I mean, I've talked about the puzzle maker, how you can make a game. I've also talked about what I'll try doing, is I'll try to address this also along with Kamal G's question that she had asked earlier, some advanced resources. You might have to custom create games. Okay. If I do a future workshop, I'll include that also as a part of it. The first one, I kept it as basics to introduce you all. I will make a note of it and I'll try to help you out with that custom creation of games relevant to your syllabus.
Okay, okay, sir.
The second question you asked is there anything else to clarify or before I go to the next question?
Sir, there are some weak students. Generally, we always get in the class, group of class.
Yeah.
So the concepts others do understand, but these students, very basics also, they are not getting. So it happens that some bright students are learning along with the good, means bad students. So
Mhm.
creation of the game becomes very difficult in that case. Games or means any interaction. So could these games can help weak students also?
It should actually, the main idea is main area of games is to help the slow learning students.
Yes.
It is there because bright students anyway don't need games. I mean,
Yes.
of course they will enjoy, but they don't really need that. See, everybody is talented. Although we call somebody weak or slow learner, somehow they have not got a spark or connect with that particular subject. Either they are bored or they have got some preformed biases, etc. See, let me take my own example. During school days, I used to hate biology because
Okay.
there is so much of theory and oh my god, I have to mug up so many things. I used to like physics somehow, physics, maths, etc. because it's problem solving. There were some other friends of mine who used to like biology but not like physics, maths. They used to not like problems. Okay, so each one of us is of a different category. There's nothing right, one is right or another is wrong. But I'll tell you one biology game that I have actually explained in the board game section. Do you recollect that? The digestive system
Yes,
game?
digestive system. Yes.
Now, had I been exposed to such kind of resources when I was young and more such resources, maybe my interest in biology would have been better, is what I feel in hindsight. Because it's such a lovely way of creating interest in that subject. And this is true not just for biology, for any subject. Okay. We need to mix up students, good students and slow learners, or let me not say good, bad, etc. Motivated students versus slow learners. We need to mix them up, give them ample opportunities for playing together, so that the knowledge passes on from the bright to the quick learners to the slow learners.
Yes,
So
yes,
that is
sir.
definitely a part of the learning process. That is when the learning gets enriched.
Yes, sir. Sir, and other two questions already Sushma madam, she has already asked.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I'll also try
Thank
to
you very much, sir.
send you additional objectives, and it's going to be end semester is going to be the final exam is going to be objective type.
Yes.
If you have
Thank
done the assignments, you will be already in a good position to you are more than half prepared for the final exam.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, most welcome. Who wants to go next, please? Who wants to go next, please? Anybody else here? So there is a person, Challa Venkatesh, who says that as a coordinator of IQAC, I have introduced to our faculty with these gaming modules to make slow learners and inactive students to involve actively in class. So that is nice. Thank you very much. Let me quickly go through the questions. Whatever I can handle, whether or not the people are there, I'll try to handle them here. Some of them I may have to do resource sharing and deeper dive, which I will answer offline. Okay. Radhika Rani ma'am, are you here in the call? She has asked a question that our institution doesn't support digital means. Also, they would not encourage game-based learning practices if it increases the expenditure. That's okay, understandable. Okay. You don't have digital and you don't have the cost is a constraint. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. I think I need to discuss with you offline. Week 4 lectures, second part, I'm sure it will be made available soon. That you can contact with the admin folks. I think they will set it right. The first part, I think I need to understand a little bit more. If you are there in the call, we can discuss, or maybe I'll have to have an offline discussion with you. Second question we just discussed with Itishri ma'am. Third question is Sanjay MBA. Are you there, sir, in the call? Hello, Sanjay, sir. Are you there in the call? So there are plenty of examples even in this course where we have recorded videos on how to make engineering education fun. In fact, I have video recorded videos of students making games in engineering subjects. You might want to go through that, sir, and definitely it can be done. How can we develop the Himadri Mishra? Are you there? Himadri Mishra ji, are you there in the call? Okay, there are some 3 people in the waiting room. Maybe they are joining now. I don't know. Okay. So they have asked about how can we develop the interest of the students on the topic he or she has already studied. So actually the studies and textbooks are just one part of the learning, and there is a lot to learn beyond the textbook and courses. And we need to arouse the curiosity based on interacting with the child as to what they want to learn and how to channelize that. Maybe I can have an offline discussion with sir. Okay. I had registered for the course but unable to log in and solve the assignments. I don't know. This is more a technical problem. Dr. Sugandha, are you there in the call? Dr. Sugandha Chowdhury, are you there in the call? Maybe this is a question that is best addressed with the operations team because it's got to do with the login and access. Okay. Neha ji, we had a discussion first. Manish Kalra ji, are you there in the call? So 70 students, yes, I understand. But again, there are multiple ways of doing it. Are you there so that we can discuss? Otherwise, I'll have to take it up offline only. Okay. Kamalpreet ji, of course, you had raised the question and I'll make it a point to share with you some additional resources. Okay. Lenita ji, Lenita ma'am, are you there in the call now? This is more an operational issue. I think missed the first 2 classes and assignments. You might have to cooperate, discuss with the operations team, and if you face any issues, you please let me know and I'll be happy to address that. Yeah, then Soumya P. Okay, which of these games could be played offline without internet connection in the class? So the board and card games, they are the classic example of games that can be played, or the puzzle games. They can be played without internet connection. Are you there, Soumya ji, now? Are you there in the call? Okay, she doesn't seem to be there. That's okay. All right. So I think I've tried covering as much as possible. I'll be happy to discuss offline if I understand your problems better. So back to you. I think we can do some open-ended questions now beyond this. Anything else that you people want clarification on?
So, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, I'm Lenita. Sorry, my system couldn't work. I posted a question where I
Yes.
joined on 27th of July. I couldn't complete the video actually, but the assignment is also has gone expired. I couldn't attend the assignment.
Got it. So maybe if you can write to the NPTEL support team and copy me, I think they will try to resolve it. You have their mail ID, NPTEL help, or you can put it in the discussion forum. What I'll do is I'll also make a note of it. Who all have operational issues? Lenita ma'am has an operational problem. Then what else? Anybody else in the call has operational problems? Neha ji, you had some operational problem? Or
No, sir, I
that is
just have
resolved?
doubts in that assignment only. That's it.
Okay. So what I'll do, Lenita ji, is I will try to discuss with the I'll take it up with the NPTEL operations team and see if something can be done about it. Hello, I guess she has some audio problems. Hello.
So your voice is breaking actually. I'm so
Okay. No. I'll
yes, sir.
take your problem on your behalf with the NPTEL team and get back to you.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. I have typed a message. Hello.
Okay, sir. I received your message. My audio is not good here.
Sure.
The connection is
No problem.
not good. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, great.
Today, if I should I attend the assignment 3?
Yeah, please attend it and please attend it if possible. Okay. We'll try to.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll try to resolve your other issue. Okay. Anybody else has any questions? Hello. Hello.
Sir?
Yeah. Any other questions?
I'm Asha from USSC. Will the
Yes.
course material be available till the
Sorry?
examination date, sir?
Examination date is, I think, September 22nd, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, sir. But would the course material be available till that date?
I think it should be available.
Okay.
It will be available. Don't worry. See, the videos are anyway always accessible on the internet. Okay, anytime.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So apart from
Any
the
other?
videos, apart from the videos, could we get some PDF?
I'll try my best to give some additional supplementary material. Some others also have asked for it. I'll try to. If you want on any, do you people want on any specific modules or in general?
All the modules actually to say, sir. Reserve a hard copy.
Okay, let me do my best. Whatever is possible, I'll try to share with you.
Okay, sir. Feasible, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please put an entry in the form so that I don't forget, so that it is tracked. The Google form that you would have got as a part of this invite, just put an entry requesting for supplementary material so that I make sure that I attend to it.
Okay, sir. So I was not able to do the last 4 terms, first and second week assignments. If I attempt the third and fourth, will I be eligible for the exams?
I think best 3 or 4 is considered. Please check with the NPTEL team.
Yeah.
Please check with them. I think 3 out of 4, best 3 out of 4 is considered.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, clarify with them, please. That part I am not 100% sure, but I think that's what it is. Any other questions? Any other questions? So I'm just opening it for any questions from anybody, if they have. I'll just also type in case my audio. If not, can we close the session? Just double checking before we close the session. Any questions from anyone? Okay, there is a question from Mr. George. Sir, do we have any other apps beyond GimKit quizzes or any other alternative for large audience? So there are quite a few tools, but very similar. There is a whole list of tools available, Quizlet, Socrative and all that, but I just kept it to simple one. Kahoot is there. Many more tools are there. And I will try to again compile and send it to you. If you don't mind, just please also put this question in the Google form, Mr. George, so that I'll make it a point to include and add it. Okay, I'll try to share with you all the tools that I am aware of. And there are newer and newer ones anyway emerging every year. So please put that as a question there. I will try to compile and send it, whatever I know. Any others? Any other questions? Okay. So I'll definitely send the supplementary material to all of you, okay? Any other questions? Hello? 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 Okay. So no questions. Shall we close the session now? And thank you very much for taking the time to do the course as well as time to attend the clarification session. Keep your curiosity and interest alive, and we will be in touch. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you all.
Thank
I
you,
think
sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. We can close the session now. Thank you.
Thank you.